In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Grammarly AI to rewrite sentences for clarity. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to prompt Grammarly's AI so your writing becomes cleaner and easier to understand. First, open Grammarly in your browser or desktop app and sign in if you're prompted. This brings you to the home area where you manage your writing. From here, click on Docs. Docs is Grammarly's focused writing space, and it's where AI features are easiest to use alongside your text. Next, choose how you want to start. If you already have content, click Upload to bring in an existing file so Grammarly can analyze what you've written. If you're starting fresh, click New Doc. In a new document, give your piece a clear descriptive title so you can find it later and keep your workspace organized. Now type your body text into the document. You can draft a paragraph, paste a sentence you're struggling with, or add a few lines you want to tighten up. The key is to get the sentence you want rewritten into the doc so Grammarly's AI can reference it in context. Look to the right side of the screen and open AI Chat. This is Grammarly's conversational assistant, and it sits beside your writing so you can get targeted help without losing your place. Inside the chat, click Ask AI to start a new prompt. In the chat box, type, "Rewrite this sentence to be clearer and more concise." Then press Enter. Grammarly will analyze your document and return a refined version that keeps your meaning while trimming unnecessary words and simplifying structure. Read the suggestion carefully. You're looking for a version that feels natural, keeps important details, and removes repetition or vague phrasing. If the result looks good, click Accept to replace your original sentence with the clearer version. If you want a slight shift in tone or emphasis, you can adjust your wording in the document and run the same prompt again. Small tweaks to your original sentence often help the AI deliver exactly what you had in mind, especially when you're balancing brevity with nuance. A couple of quick tips while you work. Make sure the sentence you want rewritten is complete and unambiguous. Grammarly performs best when it has enough context. Also, keep one sentence or a short passage in focus at a time. This lets the AI be precise and reduces the chance of changing your voice more than you intend. That's it. With Docs open, your text in place, AI chat on the right, and the prompt rewrite this sentence to be clearer and more concise, you can quickly turn wordy lines into crisp, confident writing.